Welcome to Redline Review. First, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome blends hypercar DNA with elegance. Celebrities, billionaires, and progressive collectors are the intended market for this limited edition RV. A masterpiece of design, performance, and luxury. Performance and engine. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome prioritizes performance over comfort. Bugatti's engine and a carbon aluminum monocoque chassis are employed. 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 hybrid. With a safety-limited top speed of 155 miles per hour, it has more than 1,200 horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque. Dual-clutch automatic with 7 speeds. For the first time, the camper's all-wheel drive allows it to reach 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. This RV is quick and stable because to its innovative adjustable air suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and active aerodynamics. The interior of moving mansion. The cabin features French workmanship, state-of-the-art technology, and luxury that were previously only found in mega yachts and private aircraft. Stylish lounge. It has a 65-inch rollaway OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, a retractable table, mood lighting, a panoramic electrochromic ceiling with a starry effect, a custom crystal bar with a champagne cooler, hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim, and a biometric entry. An upscale kitchen is defined by Gaggenau microwaves, smart refrigerators, induction cooktops, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, automated blackout curtains, fragrance diffusers, and a full-width king-size bed with silk linen and memory foam. A walk-in wardrobe with humidity control and automatic lighting, and mirror-finished walls with hidden smart screens. Foldable dining table for 4 people, wine preservation system and espresso machine. The spa-level bathroom features a gold bidet toilet, a steam shower and waterfall with mood lighting, a heated floor, smart glass privacy walls, a touchscreen media and skincare mirror, and more. Tech and intelligent systems complete power, water, leveling, and automation for the concierge. AR-enabled 5G plus satellite internet, AI smart control system, Bugatti Life, that can be operated by voice and apps. Solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup. Face recognition for entry. Excellent security and features engine and cabin fire suppression. 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection. Emergency health monitoring and med drone alerts. Low-speed automated parking and city navigation. Target market perfect for red carpet events, VIP world tours, hypercar collectors, luxury companies, global campaign influencers, and billionaires looking for unique mobile luxury. The cost of customization ranges from $5 to $8 million. Globally, just 5 fully customized devices are anticipated.